My brother lives in San Francisco. He said he finally found his place. But when I go to San Francisco, everywhere I look, I see his face. Sudden I face cloudburst and the stark Montana skies, but he seems to always have cities in his eyes. He longs for possibilities. He lives to move away. And he finally found his dream in the city by the bay. Joe and I were best friends in our small-time college town, and Joe had personality, what a campus clown. His jokes through deeper rivers and bubbles deep below, and he rode the current west where the rapid waters flow. Oh, lots of us have brothers there who would love to show the sights and share the balmy freedom of San Francisco nights. They loved it so much more than anywhere they'd been, and we thought they would be there when we made it back again. My brother lives in San Francisco. He said he finally found his place. And when I go to San Francisco, every